Hey guys, John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Zhiyun Smooth 4 stabilizer. For a long time, these smartphone gimbal stabilizers were pretty expensive. Some of them were easily $250, but with the Zhiyun Smooth 4, it's really compelling because it has an irresistible price point of $139. That's certainly a relief considering that the Smooth 3 last year was at $300 when it was released. But of course, the first thing you notice is the design of the Smooth 4. It's been scaled back substantially to achieve its newer, lower price point. So instead of having a metal body, the entire thing's mostly constructed out of plastic. It makes it lightweight, but it's more susceptible to dings and scratches. There are significantly far more buttons, controls, and knobs with the Smooth 4, which can be a bit overwhelming at first, but they're appreciated because they provide more control over different aspects of the stabilizer. Setting it up is a breeze too. We just place our smartphone into the grip, we adjust some of the knobs so it's balanced, and then we turn it on. What's nice too is that there's a locking mechanism that keeps the smartphone holder in place instead of dangling, which is a common annoyance we have with these stabilizers. Much like other smartphone stabilizers, you'll have a ton of different modes to choose from a follow mode to strictly panning, and even locking the entire thing in place. It's really easy to cycle through them at any time. There are two new things introduced with the Smooth 4 that you're not going to find in other smartphone stabilizers. The first one is the Phone Go mode, and you can access that by pressing the button on the back of the trigger. This is cool because it's great for fast-moving shots. The motors themselves are able to adapt quickly, and you don't see that much jittery movements. There's also a knob on the handle that allows for a couple things, like a manual focus pull or zooming, giving creators yet another set of tools at their disposal. The Zhiyun Smooth 4 is far more advanced than most other smartphone gimbals, making an ideal choice for serious content creators. Like seriously, this takes shooting video with your smartphone to a new level. And the best part is that it's priced aggressively at $139, giving it a whole lot of bang for the buck. Now, if you've been holding out from buying a smartphone gimbal because of their costly prices, then now's finally the time to take the plunge because the Smooth 4 will be easy on your pockets. And that is it for this video, guys. If you want to learn more about the Zhiyun Smooth 4, you could check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.